Your butt is in my face.
I'm gonna back 3 all of the time.
Oh! Massive. New helmet today. It's a Smith. I don't know how I feel about it. I haven't rocked a new helmet in years. Benton knows what I'm talking about. You get a helmet you absolutely love, and even though you smack your dome piece, you don't want to change it. Well, we're on a new one today. We'll see how it works. If you are interested in this helmet or want to check it out, it's linked in the description, as well as any of my snowboard gear, the jackets, hoodies, face masks, t-shirts. Anyways, we're at A-Basin because we've messed up our reservations this whole week. But next week, our reservations are linked up. We'll be going to Keystone a bunch. We'll be going to Bragg. We'll be coming here. And hopefully more starts opening.
I forgot my face mask.
Well, coronavirus.
Oh my god.
So I tried something new today, kind of, or something I normally do. I took off my knee braces. I did not like the feeling of the knee braces. I felt like I couldn't lock into any of the rails. I just didn't feel normal wearing the knee braces, and my knees are feeling great, which is really good. But guys, I'm still kind of totally like rocked and shooken up still from that whole slam, which is kind of a bummer. And it's hard to explain. I just don't feel 100%, even though, like, I mean, if I don't feel it, I guess I'm not. But, like, you know what I'm saying? There's not too much going on that shouldn't make me 100%. I still just, like, I don't know. That's very hard to explain. Anyways, still a sick day. We're out here ripping, and they opened up some more runs, looks like the other day, let people smush down the snow. The one day we took off the week, they opened up the runs with all the POW on them. But not a big deal. More terrain will open soon. I really hope soon. Oh! Man, today's sick. The snow's a little firm, but it's not too crowded, and the side hits are... Your tree bunk was massive. Massive. What happened? You okay?
My ex just caught me.
That was so weird. You know what's not weird though? Today's sticker shout out. We got Kyle Westernhold with 3 Evolution stickers on his board. Dude, looking sick. Truly supporting the channel. Guys, the sick Colorado one, like right here, is back in stock. So if you want to get any of the Evolution stickers or the specific Colorado Evolution sticker, they're all linked in the description. Don't get caught on the mountain without an Evolution sticker. Even Benton's rocking one this year. Let's see it, Benton. Oh yeah. But also hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, any of the merch, guys. It's all linked in the description. And by snagging merch, you not only make this possible, but you make the trips possible. And the trips are about to start happening. Once other places start opening up, we're gonna be off to the races, sending it. And it's gonna be a really good time. But if you do snag any of the merch, guys, make sure you tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram. It's where you can find out where we're riding the next day, bonus content, just a lot of fun extra content on the Instagram. So make sure you're following it. And guys, thank you so much for 10,000 followers. We now can do swipe up, which is important because I can like swipe up to important articles or to the sticker link and things like that. So I forgot what I was gonna say.
Benton's amazing.
Thanks, guys. Oh, Benton has an Instagram too.
Yeah.
Why not? Backflipping Benton. He did land a backflip today, so give him a follow. I don't know how he does that. Flying around through like that. Like what? Guys, I don't know if you know this, I don't really want to tell him, but Benton is going off today, and it's impressive to watch. I was hanging on to the switch front 3 so hard. It was one of those, like, the fall didn't hurt, but I felt so good that I like knocked the wind out of myself.
Oh, that's the best.
Like, it didn't hurt, like, I'm not hurt. It was just like the perfect storm of like Your threes are good, looking good
Those
today.
Those were the cleanest, but they were really big.
Yeah, Benton's 3 like crazy today. All right, guys. So this was Chipmunk Dancing Day. Benton absolutely killed it. I'm so stoked that I didn't wear the knee braces. As weird as that sounds, like they feel good. Like I'm happy with how my knees felt today. So overall, good day. And we got Chipmunk. Let's get it.
Cody, man.
It's nice to meet you, Cody. Guys, this is Cody. And with that, guys, I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth. No, I love Keystone. I want to go ride Keystone so bad. I'm pretty bummed. It's been about a week since I've been there.
Saturday. We still got one more day here.
Yeah, we can't go until Saturday. So if you're ripping Saturday, this might be posting on Saturday. I have no idea when this is posting. Anyways, Thanksgiving week we won't be riding either. We'll be riding the week, just the day before, day of, and day after Thanksgiving. We're not ripping because Thanksgiving's my absolute favorite holiday.
Oh, I can't wait to eat so much food.
Football, fun. And if you had fun with this video, guys, make sure you smash that like button. Today was a super sick day, and we got a lot of laps in. It was nice. The line wasn't that bad. It just started getting bad, and now we're out of here. That's why we show up early. We show up early, we rip hard, so then we can leave when we're good. We feel good. Look good, feel good, ride good. But also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and if you do hit subscribe, turn the notification bell, and if you haven't turned the notification bell on yet, do it, because I'm posting daily videos, but sometimes YouTube, I mean, I post every single day. I don't expect you to watch every single day, but you might miss a video you really want to watch, like the resort review video we posted yesterday. You can check it out there. It was a sick video about Park City, Utah, so check it out. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't ever gonna need nobody, no, I ain't.
Oh my God, don't fall.
What a weirdo.